Are you feeling fat, frumpy and a little lethargic? Did you have too much turkey and chocolate over the festive period? Are you seriously considering going to the gym? Well, don't! Just go to the shed instead and pick up your hand tools. Seriously, using a hand plane for half an hour or so really does get you working up a sweat. Definitely gets warm enough in these winter workshops. Go at it with some decent fervour, you'll get yourself a bit out of breath. Now with a hand plane, you can do push-ups, you can do pull-ups. You even get to do lots of squats. Nice! And of course, it's not just hand planing. Saw your wood by hand. Chisel out your dovetails or your mortise holes or anything else that you need to do with a chisel. Keep all of your spare wood in the garage, so you've got to walk to the other end of the garden to pick it up and carry it back again. Now, you might think I'm joking, and obviously we're being a little light-hearted here, but on a serious note, I downloaded a calisthenics app over the festive period. I thought, let's tone some up a little bit. And I tried a few of them and realised that actually I'm getting the same aches and pains that I do when I spend a full day in the workshop using hand tools. And no amount of going to the gym or following an app on your phone is going to get you the same kind of results as you'll get in your workshop. So don't spend your money on the gym, spend it on a load of tools and some nice wood instead. Now, if you want to know more about hand tool woodworking, there's loads of resources all over the place, but one of the best ones is this very channel. So make sure you click the subscribe button, you like this video, and then watch this playlist here, because there's loads of tips and tricks in there to get you started and hopefully fall in love with the almighty hand tool. God bless. See you soon. Happy New Year.